অ্যাকচুয়াল কি ঘটনা ঘটেছিল সেটা সবার জানা উচিত। আমি সেই জন্যই কিন্তু আজকে প্রেসটা করছি। I have some national friends who are working at the national channel and national level media. Sometimes from PMO office and the HMO office, they are feeding you the one particular issue or one partisan mannered news to the media so that they can insult me like anything. And there is no option so that you can cross-check and then you can give the news. Yesterday night, yesterday evening, we watched. There are so many political party leaders, the central leaders, the political party leaders, ruling party, resorted to politics and made unjust comments through tweets and statements against me to tarnish my image and image of the Chief Secretary and the government. Therefore, I thought it proper to bring all the issues before you so that justice is to be decided by the people of India and by Bengal people. Please let me tell you what was the issue. From the beginning, it was the issue when we came to know only day before yesterday afternoon, late evening. Before that, you know that I announced my program for Sandeshkhali, Hingolganj, Sagar and Digha. After I announced my program, the next day, late evening, suddenly we have received information that PM wants to visit cyclone prone area, especially in Odisha, 3 spots, and Bengal he wants to land Kolaikunda airport. From there he will go to Delhi and there he can meet the Chief Minister. For that reason only we were ready, though I have preoccupied programs and that is also totally, it was cyclone affected programs, the area, the disaster area affected areas to go. But when I thought that Prime Minister is coming to give him respect, we cut short our program. First we went to Hingolganj, then we went to Sagar. Then even Sagar also, you should know it. Some people are saying that why Chief Minister didn't receive Prime Minister. There is no need that every time Prime Minister, Chief Minister is to receive. There are some political program also sometimes. But whose fault it is? When we went to Sagar, you can ask the local reporters, the administration and ATC control. We have got the information that we have to wait 20 minutes there. Because Prime Minister helicopter will be landing there and after we'll get the permission. Though they were aware that regarding our coming and going the time schedule, we asked permission from before. And when we got information that after 20 minutes you have to the start, take off. Then we waited on the road in front of helipad and we waited 20 minutes for that reason. And even when we are on the sky, it may be for security reason, we don't mind for that, we don't have any objection. Then also we move about 10-15 minutes. That we don't mind because it depends on security, Prime Minister's security, we give priority to that. Then we reach there. When we reach there, we have seen that Prime Minister already reached there. So we said that when Prime Minister already reached there, we have to go to Digha and we are coming from too far. It is only because of Prime Minister to give him respect. We thought it is our duty to meet and after cyclone to submit our report. Then myself along with Chief Secretary Alapon Bandyopadhyay, he was traveling with me from the beginning. And it is not that first time I told him to visit with me because he is the head of the administration so that he can have a look whatever happened there. So when we reached there, then they said us, you sit in a room. We are sitting there. After 10-15 minutes, we asked that please allow us to meet Prime Minister 1 minute. Vivek Shohay, our Chief of Security Director, he asked SPG that please tell Prime Minister, convey this that CM wants to meet him only 1 minute to hand over the report of the cyclone. She will not disturb. Then they said SPG, 1 hour का बात बोलिए, अभी कुछ नहीं होगा. Then also he informed us, and we were sitting quietly. Then through somebody we came to know that they went to conference room. Then myself and Alapon, we thought that instead of attending the meeting, it is better if we go to the conference room where meeting was held. They have shown some bracket chair. It may be earlier, it may be after that. It's a fact that there was no need to sit there at that time, because the meeting earlier it was decided PM and CM, but later on it was totally revised list is been given where Honorable Governor, Central Minister I have no objection, then MLA, then opposition leader, what they mean. So the big BJP party and I am alone. And the meeting is not PM, Prime Minister, Chief Minister. Then I thought that, okay, whatever it may be, Prime Minister, when he came, landed our jurisdiction of our state, so let us meet, or it is our courtesy, and it is constitutional provision also. So myself along with my Chief Secretary, we entered the room with their permission, and there we said, look, Prime Minister, we have to go to Digha. The weather is not good. We are coming from too far. We have already visited the cyclone affected areas like Sandeshkhali, Hingalganj, Minakha, Harwa. Then we went to Sagar, Namkhana, Pathor Pratima. We have visited. And after that it was very difficult to come to Kalaikunda. The weather was not permitted. Instead of that, we have taken risk because to meet you. So we came from Kalaikunda, from Sagar to Kalaikunda, and from here we have to go to Digha. So if you don't mind, sir, we want to hand over you the briefing of the regarding cyclone and our project report, and whatever we have the report received till now, we want to hand over to you. That's why we came to meet you. Then I hand over it to Prime Minister, and he has taken it. And then I said, sir, with your kind permission, may I leave? Because our weather is not good, so I have to go to Digha because we have the meeting is been fixed there. Because all the people, all the press people, you were aware that Digha there is an administrative review meeting. Then with his permission we came. Now you tell us what is our fault? Why we didn't enter the meeting? We didn't attend the meeting? The meeting was not what was decided earlier, PM-CM meeting, it was not. The revised list I have with me, there itself said, the Honorable Governor will be here, the ministers will be there, the opposition leaders will be there. Okay, look, I have no problem. But you tell me, why 2 consecutive years you have not recognized the opposition political parties in Delhi Parliament under your guidance? If you have so free and fair. Number 2, why in Gujarat last week you went there? Why you not called opposition leader there? It is your state. Even Odisha also opposition leader was not there. In my state, whenever you come, you create some confusion and always you create some confrontation. Why? Even when I took oath, within a minute governor gave the statement against a statement regarding law and order. I took oath, within a day they have sent central team to visit West Bengal. I took oath, within 48 hours they have sent National Human Rights Commission, National Women Commission to visit. After 72 hours they sent their political party leaders also, central ministers also to the area.